Good afternoon, boys and girls. How are you? Are you ready for the lesson? So let's start our lesson. Unit 1, Science and Scientific Phenomena. Today is our theme, DNA. Learning objectives. Use a growing range of vocabulary which is appropriate to topic and genre and which is spelled accurately. Use a growing variety of past modal forms, including must have, can't have, might have, to express speculation and deduction about the past on a wide range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Vocabulary and reading. Read the dictionary definition and the news headline. Could DNA help bring extinct animals back to life? Read to find out. DNA. Acid in the cells of living things which determines the structure and function of every cell, responsible for characteristics being passed on from parents to children. Dinosaur blood vessels found in 68 million year old T-Rex skeleton. Please read the text. Back to life. So, very good. Exercise 2. Read again and choose from the sentence AF the one which fits each gap 1-5. There is one extra sentence. A. It was dinosaur blood vessels, 68 million years old. B. He thinks that would be the best lecture he could ever give. C. Most scientists believe that it can survive 100,000 years at the most. D. This may not seem so impressive, but a series of alterations could result in a completely new kind of dinosaur. E. Ignoring what the others said, he carried on with his research. F. For this reason, he is also looking at other ways to revive dinosaurs. Okay, good job. Exercise 3. Fill in. Bring, became, walk, run, brick, conduct, hatch, make. Okay, very nice. You are very active. Thank you very much. So continue. Check these words. Please read. domestic, clone, roam, paleontologist, make a breakthrough, excavate, thigh bone, organic material, genetic map, distant relative, dormant, ancestor, contact experiments, reactivate, evolution, embryo, hatch, revive, blood vessels, impressive, alteration. Exercise 4. Replace the words, phrases in bold using words from the Check These Words box in their correct form. 1. Do we want dinosaurs to wander around the earth? Okay. 2. Finding dinosaur DNA was a remarkable discovery. 3. The paleontologists were digging up dinosaur bones. 4. We need to make changes to bird DNA to get dinosaurs. Thank you very much. Let's learn grammar. Past models of speculation and deduction. Past form. Somebody has eaten my hot dog. Who was that? It must have been Tom. There is some ketchup on his shirt. We use must plus perfect infinitive when we feel sure about something in the past. It might, may, could have been Jane. She was in the kitchen 10 minutes ago. We use might, may, or could with the perfect infinitive to say that we think something was possible but we aren't sure. It can't, couldn't have been Lisa. She is on a diet. We use can't, couldn't plus perfect infinitive when we feel sure that something didn't happen in the past. It might not, may not have been Helen. If I'm not mistaken, she wasn't hungry. We use might not, may not with the perfect infinitive to say that we think something wasn't possible, but we aren't sure. Exercise 5. Read the theory. Find an example in the text. What does it express, speculation or deduction? Tom isn't in the library. He must have gone home. I'm sure it happened. It's deduction. Callie isn't at home. She might, may, could have gone to the supermarket. I'm not sure. Speculation. You can't have seen Beric at work this morning. He is on holiday. I'm sure it didn't happen. Deduction. So, exercise 6. Use the prompts and the verbs in brackets to complete the sentence with the past modals. So, please. Good job. You are right. Have you finished? Well done. Let's continue. Study skills. Listening for specific information. Before you listen, read the choices and think about synonymous words. This will help you to do the task. Exercise 7. Listen to Jack and Amy talking about a lecture of DNA. For questions 1-4, choose the correct answer A, B, C. What did you think of the lecture, Amy? It was really interesting, Jack, especially the part about gene editing. I was born with asthma, and it's no fun, I can tell you. The idea that we'll be able to remove the bad genes responsible for disease from an unborn baby is a huge advance for medical science. I know that some people disagree with it now, but I think everyone will be doing it in the future. I know what you mean, but it's not that simple, is it? What do you mean? There might be problems. Removing one gene from a cell may affect the other genes. Each of our cells contains a huge amount of information. How do we know that by taking out a bad gene from a cell, the scientists are not also taking out of a good one? They have no idea the damage that could cause. Genetic editing is a major breakthrough, Jack. I'm sure that in the future the scientists won't make mistakes. You can't be sure about that. Look at Jurassic Park. What? That's a film. That could never happen. I know it's a film, but they used gene editing in it to create the dinosaurs. They created something they couldn't control and it destroyed them. I've read that scientists are trying to revive dinosaurs for real now. That can't be a good idea, can't it? Okay, I get your point. We have to be careful with any new science. We don't know what people will use it for, but that's true of every discovery and invention since the Stone Age. To be honest, Amy, I can decide whether altering DNA is a good thing or not. They're also considering using the science to bring back other extinct species, not ones from millions of years ago, but more recently extinct ones like the woolly mammoth. Now that's something I'd love to see, a hairy elephant. Okay, very good. Please. For questions 1-4, choose the correct answer A, B, C. Thank you very much. Speaking and writing. Exercise 8. What information in the text did you find the most interesting? Do you think it's a good idea to bring back dinosaurs and other extinct species? Write a paragraph giving your reasons, please. Thank you very much for your answers. Please, your homework will be open your workbook on page 5, exercise 1AB, and exercise 4. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Have a nice day.